Hello everyone, welcome back to Dollars Spoken. This is Smith speaking. So how are you guys? I hope you'll be doing great. So today I'm going to share some powerful tips that will help you improve your communication skills. So without any delay, let's dive in. So guys, tip number one, think before you speak. It means that whenever you are going to talk with someone new or maybe starting any conversation, so just take 1 or 2 seconds to think that what you are going to say, because if you taking this kind of pauses, then you will get the right word and the right idea that what you are talking about, because there are so many people and who start the conversation without thinking, and that's why they start lagging in their conversations. Okay, so this is the first tip. Now let's move to the second one. Tip number two, speak slowly and clearly, because there are so many English learners who are trying to speak too fast. They know that if I speak too fast, then I'll be good at communication, I'll be good at English speaking. No, that is completely wrong. Whenever you are going to talk, then just talk with the natural way, just like in your mother tongue, like you speak Hindi and Marathi, Gujarati, any language. So think like that. This is English, this is the also one language just like our mother tongue. So whenever you are going to talk, so just take a slow and clear speaking. Like if you speak too fast, then people won't understand you what you are going to talk about, because this is the communication. It means we have to convey our idea and that's it, right? And we are not in a race. So hope that you understood. Now let's move to the our third tip. Tip number third, improve your body language, because communication is not only about words. So you have to focus 2 or 3 things, like maintain your eye contact and smile on your face, okay, and keep your shoulder relaxed, like okay, because I have seen so many people and who are talking, okay, maybe on a phone call or in a real conversation. So like they are not maintaining their eye contact, like somebody are like watching like this that. So don't have to do, and use some hand gestures also, like like sign language. You can speak like your hand move and all. Okay, so hope you understood. So now let's move to the our next step. Tip number four, ask questions. Because if you wanted to be a good communicator, so you have to learn to ask simple questions. Okay, like you can say, like, what do you think about it? Where do you see yourself after 5 years down the line? Right? So these kind of things. Because if you and you one thing also that you have to avoid, you don't have to talk about yourself. Like don't say like I do this thing, I do that thing. No, share less about yourself and try to know about other people with whom you are talking. Okay, then it will be a sign of the good communicator. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now let's move to the our next step. Tip number five, listen more than you speak, because great speakers are great listeners, right? So you have to also do the same whenever you are talking with the people to someone. So just start listening, because if you listen them, then you can understand what they are talking about, what is they are feeling. Okay, and if you listen carefully, then you'll be able to also answer well. Because of that, this is the reason that sometimes we are not answering the exact questions, like what is the same answer. Because of that, we are not listening, we are in a hurry, and once the person speaks something, any questions and also we just interrupted them when it started speaking. No, just listen carefully and then you can share your idea. Okay, but do not interrupt while talking to someone. Okay, now let's move to our next step. Tip number six, improve your vocabulary the smart way. Like you don't have to learn some sophisticated words and difficult words. Learn some simple words and like which is in our daily conversation used base. Okay, so what you can do, just take only 2 words per day and start learning. And do not only learn words, learn with the context. Like you can make the sentences with that, and whenever we are going to talk, whenever you are having any conversation, so just use that word, simple, every day, 2 words. Okay, and a tip number seven, and this is the last tip, like practice speaking daily. And you'll be thinking like how I can practice. So you can record yourself, you can make your video or start mirroring also. Just choose any topic, and you can also use the AI, and you can get so many topics and just talk. And start with just 30 seconds recording, because I know making video it's not an easy task. Like some people I started lagging, so it's okay, start with 30 seconds, and next day 1 minute, like 2 minute 30 minute, like this kind of things. Okay, then you will definitely improve. And after that you can listen yourself, like how you are speaking, what is your facial expression, and what kind of words that you are using. Okay, so this way that you can really improve your communication skill. And this is so guys, so this is all for today's session. And I hope you learned so many things. And I try to share the best way, whatever I can do. And definitely guys, I will try to share the best thing in my next video. And if I made any mistakes, so please try to pardon me. And I will come with you some another topic that definitely you're gonna like it. Until then, keep practicing and keep smiling and learn every day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye, take care.